my name is Shannon.
And my name is Shauna,
and we're the Baker Twins. And today we are reviewing Lume Deodorant.
We were sent Lume Deodorant a week ago, and we were asked to try it out for a week without trying any other deodorants.
We must mention that this is a sponsored video by Lume. And even though it's a sponsored video, they asked us to give them their honest review. So this is an honest review, good or bad, you guys get to hear it.
So here's our honest review.
Lume did ask us to check out their website, lumedeodorant.com, before we use the product. They basically said on the website to get primed.
So what get primed means, or getting primed means, is that you use a little bit deodorant,
a little more
deodorant up until 24 hours, just so then you remained odor-free.
Yeah. So you're just basically putting on deodorant until
like throughout the day,
throughout the week. So you keep on putting a little bit more until your body gets used to it, so that you can use less deodorant later on. But it's supposed to last for 24 hours or 48 hours. It's supposed to last for 48 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait, did you say for the week?
You're supposed to keep on, like what they tell you is to keep on putting more deodorant on until you're odor-free for 24 hours.
Oh, I didn't do that. You did that?
I did that.
Oh,
yeah.
you read the instructions.
Yeah, so you're supposed to like just keep on adding more deodorant on until you're odor-free for 24 hours.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool.
I checked the website and you didn't. I guess you just listened to what I had to say.
You were just, I don't know, I just kind of winged it.
Okay, well I actually checked the website out.
I did not.
The website is in our instructions down below in our video description, so check out their website, lumedeodorant.com. On the website, it says that Lume Deodorant can take up to from 4 to 14 days for your body to adjust and start working on your body. For me personally, it actually only took a day. Mind you, I don't really like to wear deodorant. I only like to wear deodorant when I'm out in public, so maybe that's why. When did it start working for you, the Lume deodorant?
I don't know, like I just started using it and it just worked. I don't know.
So it worked from day one for you?
It did, because I just use it like normal deodorant. I didn't know you were supposed to be doing that, so it just worked.
So I followed the instructions and slowly kept on literally my first day I was like, oh, I need some more.
I just didn't. I just put it on.
So it just worked for you. Okay, way to go, Shauna. Good for you.
Go for me.
Go, Shauna.
The cool thing about Lume is that the deodorant actually works for 48 hours, and what's also extra cool about Lume is that it's aluminum-free, baking soda-free, it's hypoallergenic, and it's doctor developed.
Yeah.
So, you know.
The best thing that I like is that it's hypoallergenic, because I feel like I break out with certain things and I have to be really careful about,
like with your face.
Even my face, like my face, my hair, my shampoos and stuff. I like to have stuff that's hypoallergenic, just because it won't mess with my skin. Mm-hmm. So I'm really happy that this is hypoallergenic.
Yeah. And I actually normally go to the gym with not wearing deodorant whatsoever, but I've been on like a couple hikes with friends this week, and I didn't want to like smell or whatever, so I actually use a deodorant. I normally never use deodorant when I'm working out, and I actually felt comfortable enough knowing that it's aluminum free and is not harmful for your body.
Yeah, because most deodorants, I don't know if you guys know this, but most deodorants have aluminum
ingredients
in it, and like metals. So think about that when you're putting your deodorant on, that you're literally putting a metal on your body that is oil-based, and it clogs your pores. This is water-based, so all of these products are water-based, which means it's good for your skin and it doesn't ruin your clothes. So most deodorants are oil-based, wax-based. You put it on your armpits, and then you're like, oh crap, like my shirt's all messed up. And it's because it's oil-based and it has like wax in it.
And it also wrecks your
This is water-based, so it doesn't wreck your clothes. It literally just cleans through. So when you wash your clothes, because it's water-based, all of the deodorant just comes off and it doesn't ruin your clothes.
Yeah. There are 3 steps to this deodorant. 1, shower and dry really well, which is pretty obvious.
The second step is to use Lume every single day of the week, so you can get primed.
And the third one is
once you use the deodorant, you don't have to prime as much. Once you're primed, you get to use the deodorant less and less. So that's the third step.
Which I did not do, so I totally skipped those steps. But it still works for me.
Okay. The best thing about Lume is that Lume can be used on any part of your body, not just your underarms. I know, personally, I don't need deodorant on any other part of my body, but some people might, like maybe underneath your knees if you get sweaty there, and your elbows. But it says odor shield for underarms and private parts. So I guess you can literally use this anywhere on your body. and it's safe enough because it's aluminum free, baking soda free, and it's developed by a doctor, and it's hypoallergenic.
Please click the link in the video description down below for you to buy Lume Deodorant.
What does it smell like to you?
I don't know, it doesn't...
To me, I like that it's not like a strong smell with perfume.
Yeah.
To me, it smells like lavender, like if you were to go to a spa and they have like the lavender oil and you're getting a massage.
Yeah, it kind of like has like essential oils.
Very natural.
Yeah.
I actually really like the smell, but I also like that it's not overpowering. Yeah. Because I feel like some people put deodorant on, you can
smell their deodorant. You know we all know what deodorant smells like. The fact that I'm sitting in an...
I actually like the smell of it though.
The fact that I'm standing in an elevator sometimes and the person's deodorant is so strong, it's just like you're on the other side of the elevator and it can smell you.
Yeah.
This, it's not invasive at all, whatsoever.
So we actually got sent one deodorant each. We both got to try both of these products out. This one, the difference between the two is this one is just, you put it on like with an applicator. You just put it
click
naturally.
And put it on.
You squeeze it out, put it on your armpit. This one,
you click it and then you put it on.
I didn't mean squeeze. I mean you squeeze, you turn the knob.
You turn the knob,
You turn the knobby thingy.
And then you put it on the armpit thingy, you know?
On the armpit thingy.
On the armpit thingy.
But this one, you actually like, this is what I was talking about. You squeeze it, put it on your hands, and you rub it in. I think like for the prime, like so Shauna skipped the whole step. She didn't know that you had to prime and there was an actual thing that you gotta do. But when you're priming, I think this is like perfect because you can rub it onto your actual skin. So you squeeze it on, rub it into your skin, and then when you're getting primed, you can use more and more throughout the day if you need more.
The cool thing about this is that if you're wearing like a really like tight dress or something, you just squeeze and you forget to put deodorant on. We've all been there. You could just squeeze it on your hands and then on your fingers and then like rub underneath so you don't have to take the dress off, put it back on, you know?
And I also like the fact that for me, I actually prefer this one for like t-shirts and stuff, but I like this one for dresses or if I'm wearing a tank top, because when you're wearing a tank top, you can keep rubbing it in until you don't even see the deodorant anymore. So you can just rub it in, you're like, oh, like perfect. But this one, you could just be like, if you're just being messy and you're wearing a t-shirt, you're like, I'm done, you know?
No, this is me. This is definitely me.
But I like this one because, I like this one because it's easy and you don't have to put it on your hands, you don't have to wash your hands.
Deodorant.
But I like this one if I'm wearing dresses and I want to look fancy and stuff. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel,
youtube.com/BakerTwins. Oh, Baker Twins. youtube.com/BakerTwins. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and all that jazz. Bye-bye. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up.